welcome back to my channel. This is Demelza's Delights, 100% cruelty-free and vegan channel. Demelza is my middle name, and of course it is a delight to be vegan. Today I'm going to do swatches and show you the new Day2Night Palette by Designer Brands. In New Zealand I pick up my Designer Brands cosmetics in the local pharmacy. And this Day2Night palette is actually a freebie that you can get when you buy 3 or more DB products. And I just think it's a really amazing palette with some really great eyeshadows, so I wanted to take you through this palette, and I'm going to show you an eye look today that I have been loving and wearing out a lot. 6 by 3, that's 18, yes, right. The palette comes with 18 shades. Some of them are really gorgeous metallic shades, which I have been loving. I've also been loving the oranges and the nudes, and that's what the look today is going to be based on, is more of a fiery sunset look using similar colours to these ones here. Overall, I think this palette is really fantastic. Especially because Designer Brands firstly is so affordable and really accessible in both Australia and New Zealand. And often when I wear this eye look out I get a lot of compliments, so I wanted to show you today how I create the look and tell you more about the palette. If you've watched my previous videos, especially eye looks, I like to use a combination of brushes, obviously vegan and cruelty-free brushes. I'll link them in the description box down below, but I also really like to use my finger to pack on pigments to my eyes. I just find that this palette, especially with the more metallic shades, works really well with fingers, so that is more of the application that I'm going to be using today. So I'll show you the swatches 6 at a time. These are very, very beautiful colours, and you can see here on the screen I have popped the shade names. Some of the metallic colours are a little bit inconsistent. The gold and the bright sort of blue, purple colour of the metallic shadows in the first swatches that I did were really pigmented. But as we got into the second set of swatches, I found that the rustic colours and the more plum colour just wasn't as highly pigmented. I wanted it to be a little bit more consistent and more vibrant, but they weren't. But these two here were really, really lovely. So you'll see in the swatches that I've done for you and the shade ranges that you've got a lot to choose from. One of the ones that I was really impressed with was actually the black. I thought the black has really great pigment to it. As I say, this product comes free with any 3 DB products that you buy. It is a shame that you can't buy this individually because I think it's a really beautiful palette. Maybe they will make it, maybe they will bring it out with enough people sort of saying, we love this palette, please do more. I have to apologise in advance for all of the background noise. I have moved houses. I don't live out on a nice quiet farm anymore. I live on a very busy road. So you'll be able to hear trucks and motorcycles and cars going past. There's even an airplane going over. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm starting today's look with some concealer on the eyes. I'm just using my e.l.f. dual-ended concealer wand. And I think I'll wait for this airplane to go. Okay, I'm going to use this flat kabuki, very mini kabuki Wet n Wild vegan brush. You can buy these at Farmers. They're very, very cheap, very affordable. I'm just going to buff that out, covering my lid with concealer. Always like to prime my eyelids before I put down any type of shadow or colour. It just makes the eyeshadows last longer. I find I don't get as much creasing as well because I have very hooded eyes. So to combat the eyeshadow kind of settling in there midday, I find that a good concealer base always helps. Going in on a nice fluffy eyeshadow blending brush from Designer Brands. I'm going to use the shade Wine Time. You can see that I've been using this quite a lot. It's like a nice mauvey shade, which is perfect for a crease colour. And then I'm using a nice gentle motion just to put that right in my crease. Sticking with the same buffing brush, I'm now going to pick up the shade Mama Gale, which is this beautiful fiery orange colour. I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my eye. I want this to be quite pigmented, so I'm just pressing it on. Gosh, I love this shade. It is so fiery orange, not a colour I would normally wear, but I have been expanding my eye colours recently and really loving this look. I'm not really going to blend that out much because I'm going to use my finger now on the shade Gold Digger. Oh, this is my favourite shade. Again, I've made quite a dent in this one. I'm going to press this straight on the eye. I'm concentrating this on the middle of the eye and the inner corner of the eye. My fingernails are so long at the moment, so it's actually a little bit hard to get into that corner. No word of a lie, that is pretty much all that I do. I do the crease colour, I do the outer corner colour, and then I use my finger to press on the pigment in the center. I'm going to go in and just fade these colours in together. Swoop it out slightly on the corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to touch up the colours once more. I would like it really vibrant. I'm going to curl my lashes now. I'll be using the Anika Long Lash Mascara, which I really, really love. And I'm going to also line my eyes, use some eyeliner. I've got the Cocoa Anika Organic eyeliner here, and I also have the Black Caviar eyeliner here. I think today we'll go brown. We'll keep it nice and subtle with this fiery eye look. So I'm just going to go off camera. I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes and use this Anika Long Lash Mascara. Then I will show you how I smoke out the underneath of my lash line to finish off the look. This is one of my favourite mascaras to use at the moment. And I'm going to pop back into that same colour. I think I'm going to use on the outer corner the Mama Gale colour again on a small Wet n Wild brush. Going into Gold Digger for the inner corner highlight. So where the other shade stops, I'm going to blend with the gold, taking that right into my inner corner. And this just opens up the eyes. To finish this look, I'm going to show you two lip colours from designer brands as well. These are also new releases, part of their Precious Metal range. These are Precious Metal lip creams. The two shades that I've got today are Red Handed and Milky Way. I'll first show you Milky Way, which is a nice, beautiful nude champagne colour. And the second shade I have to show you, Red Handed, is a bright red. So we'll end with that one last. I'm just going straight on my lips with the doe foot applicator. These are such beautiful metallic shades. I absolutely love them. They don't feel drying on the lips. They just feel really hydrating, much like a lipstick would. I am obsessed with this colour. I hope you love it as much as I do. This is Milky Way Precious Metal Lip Cream by Designer Brands. Again, I'm going straight on my lips with the doe foot applicator. Wish me luck because this is a bold red colour. Wow, I can't even believe that these are real life. You know, you look at them and you sort of think they look edited. Like if I saw this in a picture, I would think someone had used Facetune or something on it to make it so beautiful and creamy, but this is real life. They honestly smell amazing. This is what I imagine the Bond girl to look like. This beautiful, bold red lip. This was also one swipe, so I've just used what's on the doe foot and it's done both my top and bottom lip. Just because I've got a bit of a heavy hand, I need to go in with some concealer and tidy up here and here. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. I had lots of fun with these precious metal lip creams. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the eye look. I hope you liked the overall look and the lip swatches. Please leave a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I bring lots of cruelty-free and vegan content. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!